Hi friends, I'm showing you now an exotic flower from the Amazon. I don't know if you can find it somewhere else. This is a new one. It's starting to open. It lasts long, very long. Its leaves are very thick. They feel like plastic. Jonas is working to make sculptures of them and get them in several products so you can have them at your home, and by getting those you will be helping to support our efforts. If you want to see and know all we are doing and why to reinforce the Amazon in simple ways without money almost, search for our other videos. There are many of them. Search for embracetheamazon.org. embracetheamazon.org. Thank you.